Hey, so we're back with part two of my Black Friday break. So this is a box of 2011 Topps Lineage baseball. So Lineage is the basically the precursor to Topps Archives. I never bought I never got a blaster, or sorry, not a blaster, a hobby box of Lineage before. I got a few blasters back in the day of it. I did get like one. I never got any autos. I only got a mem card of Ryan Zimmerman, I think. And the mem cards here are actually pretty nice. They're like mini versions of 1975 cards. Yeah, okay, so there's a box topper here too. Yeah, so we got a box topper. So Lineage is basically like a weird design, like a weird kind of base design, and then took some of the best of the um, old school card designs, or like fan favorite designs, and put it together into one package. And then eventually that begat archives. I got a Tim Lincecum Tall Boy. That's very glossy, actually. There we go. Tim Lincecum. Yeah, so there's a lot of packs in here, and we'll try to go through these pretty quickly because I mean it's really you're only getting. It's not as you'll see the base design. It's not very fun. Here's the odds to stuff too. We'll do stop. There we go. Here's some like yeah. That's right. This was the 60th anniversary of Topps, so you're gonna see a lot of the diamond cards that were in the Topps design that year. Let's see. Here's the base design. It's pretty basic. I mean, it's nice, but it's kind of basic. I got a Beltre Soriano. Big Poppy. Here's a diamond. Nick Markakis. These aren't numbered. We got a stand-up. So these, I think that's what they're called. They're called stand-up cards. Cindy Koufax. You can pop it out and like basically makes him look like he's popping out. Hank Aaron. Brandon Beachy is a rookie. And Phil Hughes. Nice to get some nice, easy opening Topps packs here. Honest Wagner, yeah, and this pack is fun because it grabs some like old school guys and some modern, modern time guys and put it in together. Dawson, Carlton Fisk, a diamond Adrian Gonzalez, Jake McGee rookie. So it's these nice like 88 glossy rookies. Fred Freeman is a rookie. Monty Irvin and CC. Ooh, maybe we can get a Fred Freeman auto. That'd be nice. I have one already, but Kyle Drabeck, rookie. Whitey Ford. Walter Johnson. Mickey Mantle. Carlos Santana. Bert Blyleven. Kusuke Fukudome. And Ichiro all rookies. Yeah, they have these all rookie team inserts. And on the back it says what year they were rookie. I don't remember if it's an insert or not, but I'll put it to the side. I don't think they had like crazy variants this year like they do now. Babe Ruth, I heard he was good. Francisco Liriano, Curtis Granderson, Chase Utley. The cloths. So we got a cloth Babe Ruth. Forgot there's cloth cards. Frank Thomas, Andre Dawson, and Carlos Zambrano. You can tell it. Just back when Topps had to deal with Mickey Mantle. But now Fleer has it. I mean, not Fleer, Panini. They're called Panini. They were never Fleer. David Price, Ryan Zimmerman, Billy Butler, Ubaldo, Diamond, Todd Hilton, Matt Cain, Thurman Munson, Roy Campanella. So you can see like it's a nice mix of Hall of Famers and prominent retired, deceased players and modern players. David Wright, he's awesome. Carlos Gonzalez, Troy Tulowitzki. The 3D cards. We got a 3D Buster Posey. Look at Buster move. Like Buster Posey. A Yonder Alonso rookie. He just retired, unfortunately. Tom Seaver is a red. Boo Earns. Miguel Tejada and Kinsler. Checklist. Look at that. Remember Checklist? Jackie Robinson. Shane Victorino. Nelson Cruz. Brooks Diamonds. So we got a diamond. So those are platinums, I think. And these are the diamonds. Stan Musial. Miguel Cabrera. Johnny Bench. Jason Hayward. And a checklist. Okay, so here's our, you can see the jersey and the card in there. So we'll move to Trevor Cahill, because yeah, they're all minis too, those jerseys. Trevor Cahill, Cy Young, I heard he was good. I didn't see who it is. Clayton Kershaw, Clay Buchholz. We got two minis here. So we got a regular mini of Monty Irvin and a mini jersey of Johnny Cueto. That's fun. Yes, a nice 75 design on these things too. So that's a that's a decent jersey. So we got our relic, and there should be two autos in here. So let's go. I don't remember if these cards had fan favorite autos or if they were just, you know, rookie autos. Victor Martinez, Duke Snyder, Carlos Santana again, Andrew McCutchen, Diamond, Sparkle Diamond, Jeremy Hellickson, rookie, Ozzie Smith, and Carlos Lee. Again, also again hoping for no redemptions, because Topps ain't taking them. We got them in here. Wainwright, Oswalt, Gordon Beckham, a Willie McCovey mini. That's fun. All the Giants minis and all the Rays pitchers. 88 rookies. Austin Jackson. That's a name. Mark Pence. Josh Johnson. That's a guy I forgot about. Koufax. Justin Morneau. Diamond Joey Votto. That's nice. Joe Morgan. Tom Seaver. Oh, nice. Two of those. And Austin Jackson. Okay. Let's do a quick wrapper dump. Forgot to bring the bin for the wrappers. Adam Dunn. Jason Worth, Dan Ugla, Tris Speaker. Look at that Red Sox logo. Jaime Garcia mini. That's a name I haven't thought about. Nick Markakis, Adrian Gonzalez, Brandon Belt rookie. I like Brandon Belt. There we go. Evan Longoria, Mike Schmidt. We got something. Oh, that's another one of the pop-ups. Lomo, Carlos Santana, Roy Halladay pop out. Johnny Damon, forgot he was a Ray. Larry Jones, and Mel Ott. Tony Perez, and I also like that. Get the nice logos that are period specific. The players: Aramis Ramirez, Brett Anderson, a Clough, Jason Hayward, Ryan Sandberg, Jose Reyes, Wandy Rodriguez. Good old Wandy Rodriguez. Let's find an auto here, please. Matt Holliday, Buster Posey, Reggie, David DeJesus, Kyle Drabeck, a Jones Rookie Cup, Walker Hudson. This feels a little thicker. I think we might have got something, I hope. Lou Gehrig, Lance Berkman, Chris Carpenter, Tsuyoshi Nishioka. I don't remember him. Duke Snyder. Foil, Pujols, Jaime, and Pedroia. Ellis Andrews, Jeter, Larry Walker, Troy Tulowitzki. He's in action. This is at Shea, I think. Looks like Shea. I might be wrong. Where did I put those? Okay. Ichiro, Giovanni Gallardo, Jake McGee, rookie, Verlander. Let's just cut to the chase. Look at that yellow. Smoltz, Al Kaline, Alexei Ramirez, Jared Weaver. It's the mini. That's where I set up. Dan Herring. Zach Greinke. Young Zach Greinke. Franklin Gutierrez. Pedro Alvarez. Got 5 packs? No. 6 packs left. 2 autos. Hopefully. Better. I'll be sad. Grady Sizemore. Justin Upton. Ryan Howard. CC Sabathia. Diamond Mini. Ooh, is that an auto? That is an auto of somebody. Cliff Chambers? Cliff Chambers? Cliff Chambers. Oh man, that corner is dinged awfully. That's a Lineage autograph reprint. Wow. I'm a little sad the corner's dinged, but what is it, 50s? That's amazing. I did not expect 50s players, that's pretty cool. Frank Ross, Frank Jenkins, Delman Young. Yeah, I don't know a lot about him, and he's obviously not a Hall of Famer. I'll have to do some research, see how good he is. But that's pretty cool. William McCovey, Kurt Suzuki, Ike Davis, Brent Morrill, rookie. Louis Aparicio mini, that's nice. Miguel Montero, Andre Ethier, John Danks. That's a murderer's row of like late aughts, early 2010s. John Lester, Jay Bruce, Nolan Ryan, Bob Gibson mini, Aroldis Chapman rookie, Tim Lincecum, Joe Mauer, Roy Halladay. Ricky Weeks, Eddie Murray, Mad Bum, Victor Martinez foil, Aroldis Chapman rookie, Cueto and Chad Billingsley and Jared Weaver. I've seen those guys already. Alright, 2 packs left, 1 auto. Go. Johnny Mize. Vlad as an Oriole. You don't remember that? Hanley. Alright, I think there's something here. Oh, George Sisler, St. Louis Browns legend. McCutcheon, just everywhere, these cards. Jose Batista, Marlon Byrd, and a bench rookie. Alright, should have an auto in here. Got another checklist. Okay. Yeah, that looks a little weird, or different type. Okay. Ooh, did I get another? Jim Palmer, Jimmy Fox, Matt Kemp, Johnny Bench Diamond, and we got another one of these autos. Matt Harrison. Matt Harrison's not as fun as Cliff Chambers, but Matt Harrison's, it's a sticker, but yeah, Matt Harrison, 92 auto cards. CC, David DeJesus, and Cliff Lee, and a checklist. Awesome. So that'll do it. Yeah, so got Johnny Cueto jersey. It's nice. And then our autos, Matt Harrison and Cliff Chambers on card of a legend who's probably passed, unfortunately. But this is a pretty nice card. Unfortunately, that corner's a little dinged, but I'll take it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. See you guys.